My name's Jas and welcome to Solutions for Accounting and the wonderful world of Sage add-ons. Today we'll be looking at purchase orders and enhanced ways to raise purchase orders within Sage 50. We've put together a 6-episode video series in which I will briefly explain and demo some of the steps and features of purchase order control. We'll be covering raising purchase orders, purchase order approval, pending purchase orders and purchase order list, purchase order deliveries, approval hierarchy, and of course, the Sage integration and budgets. If you would like to learn more about Sage 50 or any of the Sage add-ons in this video series, then please contact us on 0330 335 0011, or you can email us at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk. Hello and welcome to episode 6 of Raising Purchase Orders for Purchase Order Control. Today we're going to be covering off Sage integration and budgets, so let's dive right in. On the screen we can see our purchase order control home screen. So before we head into Sage and view everything that we've done so far in the previous episodes, I'm going to show you what that purchase order looks like within the purchase order control system. So if we first click the purchase order list, and as we scroll down, at the very top we can see purchase order number 25, official Sage PO number 61, as a delivered purchase order within the Sage program. And if we now head into the Sage system, we'll be able to see this purchase order as a completed order ready for invoice. In Sage, if I now scroll down into our purchase orders, we can now see the very top, order number 61 for Superior Technologies, ready and completed for delivery, ready to be invoiced. We can still see there that it's got a not posted status. We double click into the order itself. From the actual description of the purchase order, we'll be able to see the product code that we've used when we raised the order itself, any descriptions and any amendments we made to that description. We can also see any comments that we might have left as well, any quantities, unit prices, and of course the nominal, tax code and departmental codes as well. If you applied a project and cost code, that will also be visible within this screen as well. And if we come out of this screen, we can also see some further information that we would have applied at the point of raising the order. So one of those things is by order number, along with the unique reference applied at the point of requisition. And on the left-hand side, if we click the order section, we can also see where the item is actually going, who raised the order and who approved the order, and of course all of the supplier information that we would have applied at the point we raised the order. In addition to that, if you also want to check your delivery status, you can either check that on the main screen where it says completion of delivery, or you can drill down into the order itself, click on the description arrow, and on the right hand side you can see your item status and how many goods have been delivered and how many left are to be delivered. The Purchase Order Control add-on does not require you to synchronize your Sage software to the purchase order system itself. We set this up as part of your implementation stage and it seamlessly is connected via the cloud. Sage system includes all nominal, departmental and project budgets, which are completely visible within the purchase order control, giving your users full visibility of what their budget is without them having access to Sage at all.